Alright, so I bought this GYTR flywheel for my wife's Z250 2012, and it's promising. It's supposed to help out with the stalling problem that I've been having on trails. So this is what we got here. Excuse the mess, but alright, this is what we look like. And this ain't really much for a flywheel. Okay. So far, I'm a little blind too, man. There we go. Alright. This thing's got pretty good weight to it. By the way, this is the smallest flywheel I've done in my life, dude. I'm used to doing diesel flywheels and stuff like that. Alright, so alright, this is it. Good. Alright, got somewhat of technical manual instructions on here. Alright, here we go. What's that? Invoice. Refer to the server's manual. Alright, I got that. Thanks a lot for that. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. Look at this shit. Always works the impact, man. Fortunate. Yeah, just want to make sure they don't waste my money on the flywheel too. Which is right here. So, counter lefty tighty this time. It's backwards. Gasket out the way. See the difference, man. It sticks out longer. Let's see how this is gonna work. A little grease. Well, next time I take it up. Letter should always go to the outside. Most of the times. Inside. I'll flash your time. Yep.